The real estate market is changing for sure. Sales are slowing. Listings are taking longer to sell. Hi, I'm Eric Lowry with the Lowry team at eXp Realty. And today I wanted to chat with you just for a moment about a webinar I'm doing on October 19th called Make 2023 Your Best Year Ever. And so we're going to tackle things like this. How do we handle all this change? How can you make 2023 your best year ever? We're going to tackle things like lead generation, lead conversion, working on your personal development. We're going to tackle a lot of topics. Here's what we're not going to do. We're not going to whip out some boring old sheet that's got a bunch of blanks to fill in. Build your business plan, and you fill it in, you put it in a drawer, and you never think about it again. And then you get to the end of the next year and you go, oh, it's time to build the business plan again. That's not what this is for. If you're looking for that dry, boring stuff, I'm sure there are plenty of places you can go find it. If you're looking for strategies, ideas, how to make 2023 your best year ever, come to this webinar. It's completely free. All you have to do is register, obviously, for it. The website to do so is 2023bestyearever.com. Super simple. It'll take you to the page where you can register for the webinar. Show up on October 19th. That's a Wednesday at 1 o'clock. It'll be about an hour and 20 minutes full of content. Nothing being sold. It's all about how do you make 2023 your best year ever. I'll see you there.